Yeah, Sadhana ma'am. Yeah, let me begin start today second day or third round. Okay, with Sadhana ma'am, I know very well Sadhana ma'am have a lots of good idea, good experience. Okay, so please, I requested Sadhana ma'am, whatever you means do in this way. You know, I am talking about it English speaking skill. You know, mostly Indian people, Indian like a girl and boy, they want to learn English language. Okay, and initially time starting time they face lots of problem. So what is your opinion? I think I know very well you have any idea, so please you can share with us. Yeah.
Okay. First of all, sir, I would like to say thank you, sir. You gave me chance to speak, and so I want to share my some opinion. Like what is the skill development? Everyone they want to make a good skill development. Everyone they want to speak in a fluent way. But many people they don't effort means lot of, but they want to do, but they don't do hard work for that. So many people they want to become in a good speaker. So what is the good speaker? Mean we want to become a good speaker, then we are not putting our effort. So how we can overcome from that those things? So first of all, I would like to say, if you want to become a good speaker, then you will have to follow some rule and regulation, like reading and and listening. So this type of things you have to follow. Then after that you will become a good speaker. Without follow those rules, so how can you become a good speaker? So if I share my opinion, before I was not able to speak even one word, but nowadays I am comfortable with English. Without thinking, without hesitation, I'm able to speak front of people. Means I don't think no, I am gonna mistake or not. Only I start speaking, and whatever I miss, I think in my opinion, then means I deliver message. So there is also our need is miss whatever we are delivering think, and but we are making to understand, means other people they are understanding what I am saying. Okay, so it's a means a big matter. So if you want to do anything, then you will put your effort. Then after you can become a good speaker, and means whatever you want to become in your life. Like first of all, you make a like a goal. After that, you can become. Means that suppose you don't have any goal. So without goal, where you will go without goal? So first of all, I would like to say, first of all, you make your goal. After that, you go through these things. If you have a means a good goal, and also you want to become, means you don't have any goal, but you don't have any good skill, but you want to know, I have to do something in my life. Then that time you decide, no, first of all I have to make my goal, then after I will go through. Then also you can find your goal. Like there are many students only say no, I want to speak, I want to become a good speaker, but they don't have a good idea, but they want to become. So without thinking, and either means you are thinking like that, so definitely you can achieve one day. And whatever you want to do in your life, without thinking you go. It's we are not learning any subject, we are learning as a language. So that time you don't think no, means it's a very tough task for me, and you are taking in a very tough now. Then you can't able to speak front of people, because that time also you will error mistake, grammar mistake, lot of you will commit mistake. So if we are thinking like that, so we can't overcome over the from those things when we want to become in our life. So first of all, don't think about that, and whatever you want to do and you do, either you have a potential for that or not, but only you do whatever you want to do. So I think it's enough for my side. Thank you, sir. You give me good opportunity in your platform. So thank you. I'm very grateful to after speaking.
Really, 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 whatever you deliver and whatever you told about me about, I think someone they want to become a something. So firstly, you should develop such a good knowledge about your journey towards your goal, and you have to set goal. Okay, this type thing, I think it's like a very very necessary thing. And really, Sadhana ma'am, I am too much happy, because whatever you deliver, it doesn't matter, like everybody, I think make a little bit mistake. It's like a normal thing, because we are beginner. Okay, we are means initial stage, so that's why it's happened. But apart from this, you explain very well, okay, with confidence, with enthusiasm. And means your hand movement, your body posture, like means you while speaking, your body behavior like a very calm, composed. Okay, it's like a give a very big message, when some time you like a take action. Okay, and when you like a, after that you think about like it's like a burden. Okay, how to deliver and how to like mismanage. It's like very, sometimes some, mostly I think beginner, mostly Indian people, I think I know very well, have lots of experience. But men think like how when they take action, and after before taking action they too much worried about how to deliver, how can do it. Okay, this time, but don't worry about Satnam. It's like a remarkable. Okay, 100% I believe when is someone, and you also, when you will watch this video, 100% you will get lots of means positive energy. Okay, 100%. Thank you, lots, Sadhana.